afternoon and welcome to Addington Palace.
In the dark, the brightest star.
We are here today to celebrate the marriage of Jean-Marc and Sasi. Marriage is the union of two people voluntarily entered into to the exclusion of all others.
Never be the same. The start of my heart.
This day I married my best friend. This day I married my best friend, the one I laugh with as we share life's wondrous zest, as we find new enjoyments and experience all that's best. The one I live for because the world seems brighter, as our happy times are better and our burdens feel lighter. The one I love with every fibre of my soul. We used to feel vaguely incomplete, now together we are whole.
Something I can't deny. Before my very eyes are known. Stories being read.
Thank you for coming together with us to celebrate the wedding of our lovely daughter Sasi and the very debonair Mr. John Mark Sukun.
You've been a rock beside me, and I have no doubt that we'll tackle life's trials and tribulations together. And today I'm really happy that I've managed to marry my soulmate.
Let's get everyone joining in right now. Let's go, let's go. Let's get the hands up now, let's go, let's go.